Dear angels, divine guides, I come to you with an open heart, seeking your divine assistance to help clear my energy. I invite you to surround me with your loving presence as I take a moment to breathe deeply and connect with the essence of who I am. As I inhale, I visualize a radiant white light descending from above, surrounding me in warmth and comfort. With each exhale, I release any negativity, doubt, or heaviness that may have settled within me. I imagine this radiant light penetrating every cell of my being, washing away all that no longer serves my highest good. Dear angels, let your healing light fill me with vitality and joy. I see it revitalizing my spirit and renewing my strength. As this light flows through me, I feel refreshed and vibrant, ready to embrace each moment with love and compassion. I ask for your guidance to help me shine my light, sharing the love and positivity that now radiates from within. May I be a beacon of hope and inspiration to others, reflecting the beauty of your divine energy. Thank you, beloved angels, for your cleansing touch and for filling me with your love. I am ready to step forward, empowered and illuminated, sharing my light with those I encounter. And so it is.